going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and we have some familiar things behind me. I have a red-eye Trackhawk, a Hellcat, you can't really tell, but we are back at the track, you guys. We have Kuwait's inspired racing championships. It's all roll racing, so you guys are in tune for a crazy video. You're gonna see racing, a bunch of race cars, GTRs, Hellcats, Porsches, Supras, Corvettes, Camaros. They're lined up for days, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the cars, show you some of the racing. You guys know everything 1320 happens right here on this channel, and we're out. As I stated, a couple familiar American muscle cars that are here. We have a black, of course, supercharged Grand Cherokee Trackhawk with the yellow Brembos. Super clean spec. It is PPF'd. Has the yellow in the front for the accents. Super clean car. Then we got a nice red-eye Charger. I know the owner. It is actually a younger kid. I believe he's like 19 years old. So shout out to him. Got a nice street SS in the rear. Like I said, you had Hellcats in the back you couldn't see. You got a nice slim body. Got a Durango, but we'll get to that. Got a nice slim body Hellcat here. Nice little Ram truck, and of course, your Hellcat Durango in the Nardo Gray spec. I call it Nardo Gray, but super clean. It's pretty quick for a sedan. Then I saw a super clean. This green has to be a wrap. I've never seen a green on a vet this color. As you can see, they play no games, parachute, weld setup, beadlock setup, let me say that. Bare brakes in the front. Hopefully we catch this at the track. Cammed out SS. As I stated, I'm gonna show you a lot of the cars and then we'll get back to racing. But I wanted to go ahead and start with this Corvette and work my way down. You can see there's a long line all the way back here. Cars that go all the way to the entrance there for racing. So there's probably 400 cars easily. I'm gonna try to show you. We got a Stingray with the competition seats. I don't know if you can see the red competition seats. Got a Mustang. Got a nice ZL1 with an intake. Got GTRs. You got Mitsubishi Lancers, Golfs, boosted F-150s. You can see the mean radio there. C5, Z06s, Cams, Camaros. We got cars. 4 days. Then we have Mustangs for days. Of course, it's not the Middle East without one of these. With a gap cam on the back to regular programming here. so he plays no games. Got some Camaros, G8s.
Audi,
and of course, the one thing you don't see in the track often is a Brabus G800. HRE wheels, crazy looking spec. Carbon everywhere. This thing on the track, it lifted up like crazy. Sounds crazy. This is what we had in Dubai. It is a bi-turbo, but again, it is done by Brabus. 800 horsepower and a little G-Wagon. It's crazy. Alright, we got... We got a true American muscle. Alright, we have a Gen 3 SS. Y'all, I guarantee you it's cammed. We're about to hear it. Right? Got a big drag radial here on the rear. He's about to turn it on. That's insane. You can hear it. Of course, he's got a nice little kid in there. You can see it's fully boosted. What size is the motor? That's the LS3?
It's my car, not my car. You should ask the guy.
Gotcha. LS3? Okay. But yeah, we finally found some American muscle in Kuwait. I appreciate you, brother. Sounds crazy. Like I said, there's cars everywhere, but of course, we're gonna get to the two I like. All right, you guys, you'll be able to see the difference in a CTSV and an ATSV. CTSV, carbon bucket seats, carbon steering wheel. They just let me open all the cars. Boost gauges, you can see the boost gauges. Insane spec. Super clean. And you can hear it. He caught me off guard by having them open the door, but now we have an ATSV in your twin turbo V6 on a Ford Star setup. Bronze brakes, super clean setup. He even has the seat out. Right, he has the same color leather as mine, same setup, or same seat setup as mine. ATSV is probably the best daily driver you can do and mod it and get power. Then we have a nice, check these wheels. Check these wheels. 3-piece forged wheels on an AMG. Super, super clean. Got a Camaro. Got another V2 CTSV back there we'll get to. Another C6 Z06 or C5, C6 Z06. Twin turboed Mustang. Look at that. Twin turboed Mustang. Exit out the hood. I know that thing sounds crazy. Like I said, we were gonna come over to the V2 CTSV. Gotta show love to the V boys. You cannot get mad at a V. I think it's one of the most aggressive looking cars that you can get for the money. But hopefully that CTSV comes back when the ATSV is there, and I'll do a whole separate video on that. You can see there's a car show. Make sure you watch that video. That video is next. Got a super wide tire on the Mustang. But let's get back to the racing. Alright, you guys saw a lot of
شارجر
racing.
مسكرين على
You saw a lot of race
فورد
cars.
اكسبيديشن.
Make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe. That's what allows me to be out here and do this. Sooner or later, I'm gonna take a car down the track out here. But until then, make sure you tune in to all my videos. What's happening tomorrow? You got this one going up. Got the car show going up. And of course, I'll be back tomorrow to make more videos. Got some things set up with some drivers. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a little bit more of a personal look at some of these cars. So make sure you tune in, and we're out.